Heartwarming video now of two best friends reunited at Metro Airport.
Gotta love these type of stories. Glenda Lewis has the tale of a U.S. Marine back together with the bomb-sniffing dog that saved his life.
U.S. Marine Corporal Jeff DeYoung was simply overwhelmed at Metro Airport. He says it was like a family member came home and a moment he'll never forget.
This dog saved my life. I trust him more than I trust most human beings.
U.S. Marine Corporal Jeff DeYoung brought his whole family to Metro Airport to welcome home Cena.
It's been 4 years. I hope he remembers me.
The military dog he left behind 4 years ago in Afghanistan, and the old pals picked up right where they left off.
All my Christmases rolled into one. I just can't replace the feeling. And the fact that he remembered me just made it so much better. He got injured with me overseas, and they had to do some stitches to him. And right here, I can still actually feel it right there. And it's got a little bit of a lump to it.
Separated by both distance and time, their bond unbreakable. Chicken! Corporal DeYoung finally tracked down Cena a few months ago, and the Marine Corps adoption program agreed to reunite them.
I lost quite a few friends overseas, and he was always there for that, always by my side helping me through it.
DeYoung and his wife feel if Cena weren't around to save him from explosives, he wouldn't be a father today. So the bed at home will now be very full.
We're going to have our 2-year-old, our 3-year-old. I'm 6 months pregnant with another one. Our dog Lucy, and then Cena in a queen-size bed.
Corporal DeYoung says Cena is more like a brother than a best friend. He says the dog has lost a lot of weight, but you can bet he'll gain some of that back as his family spoils him with treats. Back to you.